really. So we are on our way, leaving now to Havasupai to go to Havasupai. Yay! I am so excited.
No, she's not. She's actually really sad and depressed.
No,
and she wants to go back, and she wants to be like, I want my Loki boy! I want my Loki boy! When she selected the place and knew it didn't take dogs, so her fault.
So Havasupai does not allow dogs on the waterfalls or the trail, so we had to leave Loki with his family, and he's in great hands, don't get me wrong. Like, they love him, and he's gonna be great. But leaving him, it was so hard. And then, like, as we're walking out the door, he starts whining because we're leaving. And when we were in and out before that to put stuff in the car, he didn't whine at all. So he knew, like, that was us leaving. And that just, like, literally broke my heart. So I'm just gonna sit here and be a drama queen because I had to leave my baby. And he's just sitting there making fun of me.
And then on top of that, he whines every other time when we leave the house without him.
No, he doesn't.
He does too.
No, not every time.
Every other time, I said.
So I'm obviously.
So she doesn't cry any other time when he whines when we're leaving. But this time, she's like, nope, I'm gonna cry this time.
Well, it's because we're going for like 5 days.
It's okay. It is okay.
So it's Monday, and we're driving up to the trail top today, and then tomorrow morning we start hiking down. We'll be there for 3 nights, and then come back on Friday. So he's gonna be without us for 4 nights, and I'm kind of worried how he's gonna do sleeping. And because he's whining, I'm like, oh my god, my baby. Yeah, it's
fun. He's just gonna find a new cuddle buddy, and then he's gonna get someone to play with him. That or play by himself. See what else.
Like I said, he is in great hands. It's just me being all sad because I'm leaving. This is the longest we're ever leaving our dog. Like, the most has been like 2 days. And so yeah, this is definitely the longest. I'm a mess. So I'm gonna just think about Havasupai and how much fun it's gonna be, and then miss him probably the whole time. But really, thank you. Couldn't cover your mouth. Such a gentleman. And then, yeah. But on the drive up, I'm gonna be a mess for a while. So hopefully he thinks of something to do that's fun. I doubt it. No? Sorry, he's driving. But next video should be while we're at the hilltop. We're at Havasupai.
Should be.
Bye. We made it to the trailhead.
Yeah, that we're not going to do till tomorrow. Why she's making this video now, I have no idea.
Because there's sunlight. He wants to start hiking down at 4 in the morning, which means it's going to be dark. So enjoy the view from up
That's
top.
what's called flashlights.
Enjoy the view. So we are somewhere between 7 and 8 miles in hike into Havasupai. That sign, I saw it online, and now that I see it, it's like, oh my god, it's so worth it. We're both carrying our full Appalachian trail packs to train, and it's heavy, and it was basically the whole hike. Like, it starts off like you descend 2,000 feet in a mile to mile and a half, and then that was like basically all ice, and then after that it's just all loose rocks and big rocks. So it's been a tough trail, but on the way here I'm like, oh my god, it better be worth it. Yeah, now that we're close and I can actually hear the falls from here, and we're like about 2.5 miles away, worth it already. See you at the falls. Okay. Okay. my gosh.
Yeah? Wow, came right down there.
In the water. Hi, honey. What are you doing? Come in. So right next to Havasu Falls, there is a little cave area right there with a picnic table. And if you zoom in,